2 years ago, we hosted a party with no agenda, just good vibes, great food, and even better people. We called it Pink Odyssey. PO23 sparked real connections, friendships, collaborations, and business partnerships. After countless requests, we knew we had to bring it back. So here we are. An invite only exclusive gathering of 150 top creators, entrepreneurs, and artists from Jaipur and beyond. I believe every city in India needs something like this because the good things in life are often a simple handshake away. See you next year. Bye bye.